Fisher Refrigerator Model RF170WLKUX6 repairs. Fisher Paykel Professional Series 32-inch freestanding refrigerator with 17.1 cubic feet total capacity, 8 cubic feet freezer capacity, 4 glass shelves, crisper drawer, left hinge, adaptive defrost, Sabbath mode, ice maker, adjustable glass shelves, active smart food care, smart touch refrigerator controls. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Fisher manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Fisher appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Appliance does not operate.